Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video lesson is going to be about how to talk about your perceptions. We already talked about this perceptive structure before, and it's a super important thing in Spanish. We have three structures, and this is one of them. Why do we talk so many times about the same perceptive structure? It's because it's a very handy and we use it in so many situations. So let's have a look again at the structure, how it works, what it means, and also we're gonna have a look at some verbs that work also with this perceptive structure. So first of all, the perceptive structure we have here, right? A mí me, a ti te, a él, a nosotros nos, a vosotros os. We already talked about this structure, and we also said that these things in brackets are optional. And we highly recommend to use the ones for the third person singular and third person plural. Let's try not to make them optional because there are three different options. So it's better to use them. Yeah, let's not make it optional. Let's make it actually like just always put it there because you have three different options and it can be, if you don't say a él o a ella o a usted, le, if you just say just le without context, it could be a she, a he, or a you formal. So it's better to say it, well, for both this one singular and plural third person. Now, yeah, this is the structure. This is what we always put before. If it's a negative sentence, we are gonna put always the no here right before the personal pronouns. Yeah, and now we're gonna talk about like the verb that comes after. So the verb that comes after, it can be uh, um, like there are many verbs, right? It could be gusta, encanta, interesa, molesta, um, hace, da, yeah. But what does it mean? Like this verb here has a main meaning is like it does me. It's like the perception you have what what something does for you. So let's talk about the verb interesa. Yeah, it's when you're interested in something. So a mí me interesa alone here. A mí me interesa. Um, it means that you're interested in a thing that is a third person and singular. So it could be an it could be a she, it could be a he. So la comida me interesa, ¿ya? O él me interesa, right? So we use the verb conjugated in third person when we are interested, in this case, interesa, when you're interested in a third person thing. Yeah, in a third person. It could be a she, he, or it. In Spanish, remember, we only have she and he. Like things are, feminine and masculine. Now, if what what if you're interested in something that is not singular but plural, it's gonna be a third person, but in this case it's gonna be plural. Let's just green here. Then you're gonna use me interesan, yeah, because let's say me interesan las uvas, like it's like I'm interested in grapes, yeah. So here we are using the third person plural. Yeah. So when you're interested in something that is third person plural or just plural in general, you're going to use the N. Yeah. Now, if you're interested, in something that is a second person, we are going to use the S. So, uh, like, I'm interested in you, that will be me interesas. Yeah. So here we're using, yeah, like you. Yeah. So I'm interested in you. Now, this is just an example with the verb interesa, right? But we can also use the verb to bother, yeah. A mí me molesta, a ti te molesta. So the same thing happens here. If what is bothering you is a third person, yeah. So it's ella me molesta, o él me molesta, o eso me molesta. It's a third person singular. If the grapes bother you, then you say las uvas me molestan. Because what is bothering you is a third person but plural. So, las uvas me molestan, ¿ya? Los caballos me molestan. Horses bother me. And anything that is plural is going to be with an N, me molestan. If it's me molestas, that will be you bother me. So here's you bother me. So as you can see, this it does me. It's like something, yeah. This it can be as third person, but it could be anything. It could also be plural. It could be you. So and then that's me. Yeah, it's like it bothers me. They bother me. You bother me. So the verb, yeah, is gonna be this one here, and the verb can change depending on this thing here, what it's bothering you. If it's third person singular, you just leave it like that. If it's a plural, you add an N. If it's a second person, you add an S. That's it. And of course, we have the it bothers me, it bothers you, it bothers them, it bothers us. So these are these pronouns right here. Yeah. Me molesta, it bothers me. Te molesta, it bothers you. Le molesta, it bothers her, it bothers him. Yeah. Nos molesta, it bothers us. Yeah. Os molesta, it bothers you guys. Les molesta, it could be it bothers them. Like just guys, it bothers them. Just girls, or it bothers you, like you guys plural. So as you can see, this me, you, them, us is like the one we have right here. It could be me, you, them, us, right? And this is the pronoun we have here. So this is we have a lot of verbs that have this situation. We're gonna have a look at them. um, so yeah, after you say that, remember the nouns, yeah, the things, yeah, that are bothering you, they change. Yeah, they can be third person singular, they can be third person plural, or they can be second person. So they can be different. Let's have a look at this example here. Ella me interesa mucho. This one here. Yeah. So I'm interested in her a lot. So ella, yeah, she, yeah, ella me interesa, yeah. So me interesa, o me interesa ella. You can also say me interesa mucho ella, o ella me interesa mucho. Me interesa. We use interesa because ella is a third person singular, right? Me interesa. Que ella me interesa. Yeah. Um, so that's a clear example. But you can also say, a él le interesa ella. It's like he is interested in her. Yeah. But we could also say, ella te interesa. It's like, te interesa ella. It's like, are you interested in her? Right. So we can make all these combinations. So it's not just it interests me, it could be it interests her, it interests us. Yeah. A nosotros no nos interesa ella. We are not interested in her. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also use verbs, but that's easy, right? You just put a verb in infinitive here, and that's it. Like, I'm interested in doing something. So you just put, a mí me interesa, and we always put it as like interesa, just the way it is, third person singular. A mí me interesa correr, a mí me interesa viajar, and so on. So let's have a look at some verbs that I want you to, I want to encourage you to learn them. That doesn't mean it's all of them, but we have some, okay? So, me gusta, we know this one. A mí me gusta, a ti te gusta, me encanta, me interesa. And all of these verbs that you feel like it makes me, for instance, hace, eso me hace llorar, that makes me cry. Yeah. Me molesta, it bothers me. Me importa, it's like, a mí me importa is when I care about something. Yeah. A mí no me importan los gatos. I don't care about cats. Well, that's not true. I like them. But if you want to say I don't care about cats, a mí no me importan los gatos, right? Because los gatos are plural. A mí me apasiona. I feel passion for something. A mí me inquieta. It's like I feel like rest, like, intrigued about something. A mí me asombra. It's like when you're like, wow. A mí me ofende. It's like, offend, something that offends you. Me fascina is also a way to say like I love it. Not like me encanta, not love for a person, but like when you love something. Me entusiasma, enthusiasm, or it's like when you're excited about something, you can say, a mí me entusiasma trabajar en esto. It's like I feel excited about working this. A mí me irrita, irritates. A mí me cae bien o me cae mal. That's when you like a person or you don't like a person enough. A mí me parece, to give your opinion, or when you say for me, a mí me asusta. Asustar is like to be scared. Like, it scares me. Me aterra is also like to be scared. And me tranquiliza is like when you feel like it's calming you down. Also, we use these two that are very important. Da and pone. Uh, we use da for nouns, and we use pone for adverbs. And we talk a lot about feelings, especially. A mí me da como alegría o felicidad, ¿ya? O a mí me pone alegre o me pone feliz, right? So the first one is the noun, happiness. But the second one is the adverb, happy. So if you want to use the adverb, use happy. A mí me pone feliz, a mí me pone triste. But if you want to put it as a noun, it's like it gives me happiness. Then you use the verb da. A mí me da felicidad, a mí me da tristeza, a mí me da tranquilidad. Yeah. So with these verbs here, you can say a lot of things, and yeah, uh, practice all of them. This is what you have to do. And in this video lesson, the most important thing is that you practice not just the third person singular, but also if it's a plural, use an n. If it's a second person, you use an s. Like add the s here. It depends on what you're interested in. It depends on what bothers you. It depends on what makes you feel that way. Yeah, that will be it. And like, if you want to study this, of course, do that and do your flashcards as always. And in real life situations, pretty much, there are so many situations where you can learn and practice this. There is no a specific one. So the recommendation is to just add one verb a day. In 20 days, you will cover them all. So that way you can practice all of these 20 verbs that we had before in the previous slide. So have fun. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego y nos vemos en la próxima video lección. Hasta luego.